Hello everybody, this is Mr. Bowman. Today we're going to be looking at the ALEKS topic, using a net to find the lateral surface area and total surface area of a rectangular prism. So just to make sure we know what we're talking about here, lateral surface area, lateral means side, so it's just the sides of basically the surface area of the sides. I'm not going to include the top and the bottom. And then my total surface area would be all 6 sides of my rectangular prism. All right. So they shaded the top and the bottom so we know which ones they're referring to, which is helpful. Everything's in millimeters. Good to know. So find the side lengths for the net. Okay, so looking over here, I'm kind of, imagine this as a cardboard box, and I'm going to unfold it so it's all flat. So this side would be right here. So it's not the full side, but it connects our, would touch our top and bottom there. So that would be here. So this is the longest bit, so that would be 8. Okay, so I'm thinking this is 8, 8, 8, 8 for all of those pieces. And similarly, I have 11s for the long sides of any of these, which, as I point out, I notice is C. That's 8 millimeters. This one's 11 millimeters. Okay, and then 4s are going to be all of these kind of diagonally looking ones, which are connecting the front and back. All right, so what is B? B is this guy right here. So it's the short side of our top and bottom. So if this is 4, this is also going to be 4. So that's going to be 4 millimeters. And D is what's the short side of this guy, which is the same piece, so it'll also be 4 millimeters. So if you imagine folding this up, these are going to be the same. So this would have to lie perfectly on next to that so that they make a corner. All right, so use the net to find the lateral surface area of the prism, not including the top and bottom, as mentioned, and then to find the total surface area. So to do this, I'm actually going to just go and find the surface area of all 6 ones and write it directly into our picture, and then we can just add up our pieces from there. So, looking at this one over here, this is A and then D, right? These are going to be the same rectangles. So, A and D is 8 and 4. So, 8 times 4, this will be 32, which makes this one also 32. Our top and bottoms is a C by B. So, 11 times 4, so these will be 44. And then our kind of front and back faces there are going to be 11 by 8. So if you imagine these just kind of moving down, we have 11 by 8. So that'll be 88. Cool. All right, so we have that. So now I just need to add up the pieces I need for each one. So for this one, the lateral ones, those are the non-shaded ones because those are our sides. So 32 plus 88 plus 32 plus 88. Or, if you prefer, 32 plus 88 and then times 2. Either way, we find out that we get 240 millimeters squared, because that's what all of these are measured in, is millimeters squared. And then use the net to find this total surface area. So I'm just going to take that total and add in my other 44s. Okay. Which lands me at 328 millimeters.